We've all been there when the electricity goes out. Everything suddenly shuts off. The house goes dark and quiet. It's a unique feeling of despair.
So my first thought was the refrigerator. And sometime later, what was on my mind was the lack of AC. And then I remember there was no hot water heater. That's when I realized how much I took everything for granted. I was basically camping out of my home.
When a hurricane hits in our area, we may lose power for weeks at a time. A standby generator becomes your source of electricity.
A standby generator improves the quality of life by ensuring that you never lose power again.
A standby generator, in contrast to a portable one, it's designed and built to work for days at a time, and it's powered by natural gas or liquid propane.
Today, Isaac and his team from Generator Supercenter are here at this South Florida home installing a Generac standby generator. They aim to minimize disturbance to the home during the prep and install.
After spending 2 weeks with no power after Irma, we decided we would never do that again.
It is a three-step process. First, we send a sales consultant to make a load analysis of your home.
And these are the only two ACs that you have?
Yes, that's the only ones we have.
And just show me where the power comes from.
Okay, I'll take you right over here at the end of the house.
Second, our in-house engineering department prepares the blueprints and submits them to the appropriate building department. Third, once your permits are ready, we install your new generator.
The generator will be located near the house exterior electrical panel. Cesar explains the installation of a key component, the transfer switch.
Okay, we spoke with the owner of the house to let her know that we're gonna cut the power for a couple hours, maybe 3 hours. What we're gonna do in the meantime is remove the electrical meter, turn off the breakers for the house, change the old breaker box to install the new transfer switch box. And after we do that, we're gonna plug everything back and put the power back to the house and let the owner know.
This is your automatic transfer switch. It's basically the brains of your generator system. It senses when the power goes off and then turns on the generator and boom, in 10 seconds, your power is back on.
A fence divides the yard with the generator on the other side. Not a problem for Isaac and his crew. The generator is lifted over the fence and placed on a concrete slab. From here, it is connected to the home's electrical system. Did you know? Generac generators are used in 80% of the U.S. residential market. Generator Supercenter is the largest Generac dealer in the nation. Hurricane Irma caused power outages to 6.2 million homes. Standby generators are typically powered by natural gas or propane. This one will use propane. The propane tank will be underground in a carefully selected spot. The hole is prepped, and the supply tank is carefully lowered in. A tank this size can run the generator for weeks at a time. A line is run from the tank to the generator. The installation is nearly complete.
Now that your installation is done, Generator Supercenter will monitor your unit 24/7 to ensure that the unit is in proper working order when you most need it.
Safety, comfort, security. With a standby power generator, you are assured the power you need even in the worst situations.